going to show you how to show histogram in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app and select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After we selected a picture, we have to tap on these three little dots in the right side of the tab. We tap on this and then find Show Histogram. If we tap on this, then in the editing panel we find this graph that is called a histogram, or we can also enable the histogram by tapping Command 0. Unfortunately, I don't know the keyboard combination for Windows, but this is it for the Mac. So Command 0 to show the histogram. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.